Open Midjourney Discord and create a new server. Choose Create My Own, and then press For Me and For Friends. And now just name your server and then voila. You will see your private server at the top. Now open Google and type InsightFace AI. Go to Web Demos and then Swapping Demos. Scroll down to Step-by-Step Guide, then click the link to add a bot into your server. Choose the server you created and tap to continue. You will see yourself an InsightFace bot in your private server. And now you need to create ID for yourself. Upload your photo and give a name to your ID. Now upload any picture which you want to replace your face, and then press enter. Now click to the right button on your mouse and follow Apps, then inswapper. And then there you are, your version of a picture. Now just open it in browser and save it. Let's try another picture. Follow the same way.